Welcome to Kaplan's Study Plan video tutorial. The study plan helps you answer, how do I get started, and what do I need to do next? It is customizable and will expertly guide you through your exam preparation to help you best utilize all of Kaplan's study tools. It shows a progression of activities to be completed based on the amount of time you have to prepare for your exam. You can access your study plan right from my dashboard page as soon as you log into the course. Now let's get started on building your custom study plan together. To build your custom study plan, select Settings in the Study Plan window. With our study plan, you have the ability to set start and end dates based on the amount of time you have planned to prepare for your exam. Add your exam date to be sure that the date you plan to complete your exam prep is before your exam day. You can even exclude weekends and add days off. The study plan will then distribute your activities evenly among the number of days you plan to study. As things change, come back here to update your settings, which will automatically adjust the remaining activities on your study plan. You can also view your study plan in a calendar format by clicking the Calendar View option. Once in the calendar view, select the activity to see the description, type, recommended duration, and options to complete. The Topics view enables you to search for tasks based on their unit title. Once you have completed all your tasks, this view makes it easy for you to find tasks for specific topics or units you may want to review. You'll encounter a variety of tasks as you work through your study plan, including reading, taking quizzes, and completing exams. Within the study plan, you can click on the Next button to move to the next page of the online course. However, for the most comprehensive learning experience, we recommend that you navigate through the study plan using the Next Activity button to ensure you are accessing all the activities, including the QBank quizzes, checkpoint exams, and the simulated exam. Your activities will be automatically marked complete when you click through all pages of the activity or you answer all questions within the quiz or exam. You can easily access completed activities under the Completed tab. You can also mark any completed activity for review and access under the Review tab. Finally, the study plan progress chart will help track your progress as you work towards 100% completion. It shows the average number of hours per week you will need to study, as well as the countdown of days until you sit for your exam. And just remember that you can return to your study plan at any time by clicking on my dashboard at the top left of the page. Good luck with your studies, and thank you for choosing Kaplan to help you succeed.